GTA 6's duo system isn't just two characters on a mission, it's about real teamwork. One can plan while the other acts, like switching weapons mid-fight or taking cover behind cars. The game reacts to your choices, adding tactical depth and cinematic action to open-world gameplay. Hold down L2 in GTA 6 and the world reacts. It's a tiny button, but it unlocks detailed interactions like petting a dog or disarming an enemy with precision. This control, returning from Red Dead Redemption 2, makes every action feel intentional, blending realism with tactical gameplay. GTA 6's cover mechanics turn shootouts into a tactical puzzle. Crouch behind cars or dive for shelter enemies, react instantly, forcing you to adapt. Time your movements right to outmaneuver them. This isn't just survival. It's about reading the battlefield and using cover strategically. GTA 6's combat blends strategy with chaos. The item wheel lets you switch weapons, armor, or a mysterious item that may boost stats mid-fight. No more fumbling for gear. Need cover? Crouch behind a car, then stand to fire precisely. Even small details matter. Pick up enemy guns or study a dog's behavior. Yes, really. Every action feels intentional, making the world feel alive. GTA 6's romance isn't just a side quest, it's a living extension of the world. Hold hands with your partner, share an apartment, even watch TV together during ads that pause for you to react. These moments feel real because they're interactive. Skip the drama or lean into it. The game adapts without forcing your playstyle. It's optional, but when you choose it, the story deepens naturally, like flipping a page in a book where every choice leaves a mark. GTA 6 isn't just bigger, it's smarter. The map is twice the size of Los Santos in GTA 5. But Rockstar didn't just cram more space, they packed it with purpose. Every street, every building, feels like it exists for a reason. Whether you're racing through a city or diving into an underground mission, the world reacts dynamically. Need to switch vehicles mid-mission? Happens seamlessly. Want to explore a construction site or wrestle in a backyard? The game adapts without missing a beat. It's not just about scale. It's about making every inch feel alive and interactive. What if GTA 6 didn't just evolve it, reinvented open-world gaming? Imagine fighting not just with guns, but with counters. Every punch or kick could be blocked, dodged, or even countered in real time. It's not the same brawling from GTA 5. This is a whole new level of precision. The game tracks your movements, your strikes, and even your stamina. Need to switch tactics mid-fight? A quick tap changes your approach from fists to feet, or even disarming an opponent with a well-timed dodge. Its combat is strategy, where every move matters. GTA 5's Snapmatic let us freeze moments, but GTA 6 hints at something deeper. Imagine capturing a shootout mid-air, then sharing it with the world. Except this time, it's not just photos. It could be videos, clips that react to your choices, like pausing ads or commenting on missions in real time. The game teases a more dynamic social layer, where every post leaves a mark on the world. But will it just mirror GTA 5, or reinvent how we interact with open worlds? Only time will tell. GTA 6 doesn't just look bigger, it feels alive at every scale. At night, the city transforms into a neon playground where every light, shadow, and reflection is crisp enough to see your own breath in the air. Jump from skyscrapers mid-mission, and the world reacts with physics so precise you'll swear you're playing on a next-gen rig. It's not just about visuals. It's about making you feel like every pixel matters. Whether it's the way bullet holes shatter glass or how rain reflects off wet roads, Rockstar has pushed boundaries so far that other games might struggle to catch up. GTA 6's street racing isn't just about speed, it's a full-blown spectacle. Imagine drifting through neon-lit backstreets, where every tire spin and engine revved feels like a AAA racing game, but with GTA's signature chaos. You'll race in cars that handle like real machines, with mechanics so sharp you can feel the weight shift under your hands during tight turns. And just when you think it's all about raw speed, the game throws in nitrous challenges boosting power, mid-race like a high-stakes adrenaline rush. It's not just racing, it's a masterclass in precision and control, blending GTA's signature style with next-gen polish. GTA 6 introduces Mendes, a villain whose presence looms larger than any antagonist in the series before him. Unlike traditional mob bosses or corrupt politicians, Mendes feels like a force of nature, cold, calculating, and always one step ahead. His cinematic introductions set a tone that blends tension with style, making you question whether he's just another criminal mastermind or something far more sinister. This isn't your typical GTA villain. It's a narrative pivot that could redefine the game's themes entirely. GTA 6 isn't just bigger, it's smarter in how it makes you interact with its world. The dual protagonist system lets you and your partner work together, like one taking cover while the other fires or sharing weapons mid-fight. It feels like a tactical team-up where every move matters. And the details? They're everywhere, studying a dog with R1, yes, really, or picking up gear from fallen enemies, making the world feel alive in ways no GTA has before. This isn't just evolution, it's a blueprint for